Hey guys, welcome back to our tech section. By popular request, we've been asked to do a Mercedes door handle. Curtis, this one's for you. My phone's going off. Let's just keep going with it. These handles are pretty much the same across most of the current gen Mercedes range, so they're all very much the same. They all pull apart the same way. So we'll give you a quick look at how this works. Firstly, what you're going to need. Again, one of the most common sizes, the T20 Torx. Literally, this is the only tool you're going to need. That's it. So, to get started, open it up, pull the plug out in the door jamb. It's right there. This is rubber. It's really easy to get out. Now, in here, as with most doors, you're going to see there's a little chrome screw in there that you want to use your T20 on to undo. All right, so you want to get your T20 Torx screwdriver in there. You're going to have to fiddle around a little bit or get someone to hold a light if you can't see in there properly, because it is a fair way in. Loosen this off until the screw stops turning, which is, for me, about there. And take that out. Now you want to come around here and pull the handle out. You've got this little black plug here. This is what needs to come out. So you can see it's got a pointy part. Just grab that and pull it out. And the handle should remain out at this point. And now all you want to do is pull backwards on the handle. So you're sliding it back fairly firmly. Don't be afraid to break it. There we go, that was nice and easy actually. And give it a little jiggle, out it comes, handle out. From there, you can see there is a plug here, but that remains in place when you disassemble it, so you don't have to worry about that falling into the door like with some other cars. And on the other end here is your latch. So you can see here, there's two bits top and bottom with a little knob that sort of locks in there. And there's also the latch part that this part of the handle has to go behind. You can see that there as well. So reinstallation is basically the reverse. You just put the plug end in, slide it forward, pop, there you go. You do have to be fairly firm with that to get that latch to grab. Once it's in, it should be sitting out like that. Take the little black plug that you pulled out before and put it back in place, sit it in the correct spot, and as you push this in, the handle's gonna latch, or the handle's gonna grab on, I should say. So push that in, pop, there's your handle in place. Now simply tighten up that T20 Torx screw again. Tighten that one back up, and presto, check your latch. There you go, and it works. Good habit, always check that the latch releases when you pull the handle after you've reinstalled it to make sure that something hasn't gone wrong. Because the worst thing that can happen is you shut the door, you can't open it again from the outside. Remember to check that one. Other than that, thanks for tuning in. This was your tutorial on the Mercedes door handles. Covers pretty much all the current generation. So your W205 range. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to put the plug back in. There we go. Also, bonus one for you. The driver's door handle is slightly different. As you can see, it's not a single piece like the rest of them are. Slightly different, but still very much the same. You take off the cap, you've got a T20 Torx screw in there. You want to unscrew that. There's my phone going off. Probably someone commenting on the last video, asking for another door handle video. Loosen that one off and pull the handle out a little bit when you try to remove this. Little jiggle, out she comes. End piece comes out the same as the rear door handle. And reinstallation is again the same. Just slot that into place, pop it in, the handle slides back in, tighten up the screw, and like I said before, check your latch to make sure it works. Beautiful. And don't forget the plug. There we go. Thanks for watching.
Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trying to top it. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They trying to block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team.